Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the best cloud mining sites for 2023, enabling you to make informed decisions and potentially profit from the world of cryptocurrencies. So let's dive into the video. Cloud mining can be a great solution if you're interested in mining cryptocurrencies but don't have the resources or know-how to do it yourself. Here are some of the best cloud mining platform options in 2023. Fancy Crypto. Fancy Crypto is a cloud mining platform that allows users to mine cryptocurrencies without expensive hardware or technical know-how. It is a service that provides users access to shared processing power from remote data centers, allowing them to earn rewards by mining digital assets. Pros of Fancy Crypto: multi-cryptocurrency support. Fancy Crypto supports the mining of multiple cryptocurrencies, which is ideal for users who want to diversify their mining activities. User-friendly interface. Fancy Crypto has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, making it a great choice for beginners. Fast and secure mining. The platform provides fast and secure mining, ensuring that users' mining activities are safe and efficient. Low fees. Fancy Crypto charges minimal fees, making it an affordable option for users who want to mine cryptocurrencies without investing large amounts. Cons of Fancy Crypto. Dependency on the platform. Since Fancy Crypto is a cloud mining platform, users depend on the service provider for mining power. Limited control. Users have limited control over the mining hardware, meaning they cannot customize their mining settings or optimize their performance to the same extent as they would with a personal mining rig. The reason why Fancy Crypto is deemed a user-friendly and truly affordable cloud mining service is due to the packages it offers. Currently, there are 7 best cloud mining packages available for users on their website. All of these packages provide daily profit, which is credited to the user's account every 24 hours. The profit margin depends on which mining package one has chosen. Free cloud mining. The contract is for a duration of 1 day and has a contract price of $10, with a fixed return of $10.15. Experienced project cloud mining. 2 days contract price of $100, with a fixed return of $105. Ethereum cloud mining. 5 days contract price of $300, with a fixed return of $324. Litecoin cloud mining. 10 days contract price of $800, with a fixed return of $944. Dogecoin cloud mining. 15 days contract price of $1,500, with a fixed return of $1,938.75. Ethereum Classic cloud mining. 30 days contract price of $3,000, with a fixed return of $4,806. Bitcoin cloud mining. 60 days contract price of $5,000, with a fixed return of $11,580. Referral program. Fancy Crypto's referral program turns you into an affiliate and provides you with several benefits along the way. For example, you receive 3% off of your referrals purchase orders. You don't need to invest to become an affiliate. You get an instant payout for referral rewards. KuCoin. KuCoin is a platform that allows users to mine cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It is a relatively new entrant in the cloud mining market and is gaining popularity due to its user-friendly interface and low fees. Pros. User-friendly interface and easy to use for beginners. Low fees compared to other cloud mining platforms. Offers a variety of cryptocurrencies to mine. Supports multiple payment options. 24/7 customer support available. Cons. KuCoin is a new player in the cloud mining market, and its long-term reliability is yet to be established. Some users have reported slow payouts. Limited mining contracts available compared to other cloud mining platforms. NiceHash. NiceHash is a popular cloud mining platform that allows users to mine cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Scash. It is known for its advanced features and reliability. Pros. Offers a variety of cryptocurrencies to mine. Supports both CPU and GPU mining. Advanced features such as benchmarking and mining profitability calculator. Regular payouts and reliable service. User-friendly interface. Cons: higher fees compared to other cloud mining platform. Limited transparency about its mining operations. Some users have reported issues with the platform crashing. Ecos: this platform offers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin mining services. It is known for its environmentally friendly approach to mining, using renewable energy sources. Pros: uses renewable energy sources for mining, making it environmentally friendly. User-friendly interface. Offers a variety of cryptocurrencies to mine. Regular payouts and reliable service. Offers a range of mining contracts. Cons: higher fees compared to other cloud mining platform. Limited transparency about its mining operations. Limited customer support available. BeMine. BeMine is a cloud mining platform that offers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Scash mining services. It is known for its competitive pricing and reliable service. Pros: competitive pricing compared to other cloud mining platform. Regular payouts and reliable service. Advanced features such as a profitability calculator and mining pool selection. User-friendly interface. Cons: limited transparency about its mining operations. Limited variety of cryptocurrencies to mine. Limited customer. Genesis Mining. Genesis Mining has been one of the oldest and most established cloud mining platform providers since 2013. It allows users to mine cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Here are the pros and cons of using Genesis Mining. Pros: established and reliable. Genesis Mining has been around for a long time and has built a reputation for being a reliable cloud mining service. Offers a variety of mining contracts. Genesis Mining offers a range of mining contracts, including Bitcoin and Ethereum mining contracts, providing more options for users. Easy to use. The platform has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, making it accessible to beginners and experienced miners. Cons: higher fees. Genesis Mining's fees are higher than other cloud mining platform providers, which can be a drawback for users who want to minimize costs. Limited control. Users have limited control over the mining process as they rely on the mining hardware and platform provided by Genesis Mining. BitDeer. BitDeer is a cloud mining platform provider that allows users to mine various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Here are the pros and cons of using BitDeer. Pros: established and reliable. BitDeer has operated since 2018 and has built a reputation for being a reliable cloud mining service. Offers a variety of mining contracts. BitDeer offers a range of mining contracts, providing users with various options. Transparency. BitDeer is transparent about its mining operations and provides regular updates about its mining activities and earnings. Cons: higher fees. BitDeer's fees are higher than other cloud mining platform providers, which can be a drawback for users who want to minimize costs. Limited mining options. BitDeer offers limited mining options compared to other cloud mining platform providers, which can be a drawback for users who want to mine a specific cryptocurrency. Hashflare. Hashflare is a well-established cloud mining platform provider that has been in operation since 2015. It is known for its high reliability and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for experienced and novice miners. Pros: large selection of mining contracts is available. Low maintenance fees. Detailed mining profitability calculator available. 24/7 customer support. High level of transparency and reputation for reliability. Cons: limited payment options compared to other cloud mining platform providers. Some users have reported slow payouts in the past. The higher initial investment required compared to other cloud mining platform providers. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.